morning, everyone, and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. Or it may be afternoon where you are, but welcome nonetheless. Thank you so much for your support. And to the new subscribers, thank you so much. And to the ride or dies that's been with me from day one, thank you for hanging in there. We're coming up on a year, as I said before, and I'm thinking about what can I do special for that. So I'm brainstorming about that. So I think we're going to have a good time with that. So what do I have today? If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I made a Seitan recipe. But I'm doing a full video because I've been asked to do that. So that's what I'm doing today. Part 1 of Seitan meat. Let's get started. Okay guys, we're gonna pour in 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes. I drained some of the juice so that I can blend a little bit of the veggie cube in it, and I'm gonna pour that in. Then I will add 5 tablespoons of chickpeas just to add some texture, although it will add a little bit more protein as well. Then I'm going to add in half a can of tomato paste. Remember guys, I am building flavors. The Seitan meat has no flavors. It takes on whatever you do. So I really want like that beef flavored. So I'm going in. Here is 2 tablespoons of soy and 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. Gotta have it. Then I'm going to put in 3 cloves of garlic. All the seasonings, don't worry, the full recipe will be listed down below. So we're going to pour that on in. Blend it just enough to mix everything up because you don't want to lose the texture. Now you're going to pour your wet ingredients into a large bowl, and then you're going to need 2 cups of vital wheat gluten. Add in a little bit at a time because you're going to start off just stirring a little bit. And I use a wooden spoon. I just like a wooden spoon. And as it begins to get tighter, it will get harder to stir. Then you begin to knead it with your hand in the bowl. Then after a little while, you'll be like, okay, this is getting a little bit more tough. Then you need to move it to the board and just knead it for 15 minutes. After you knead it for 15 minutes, some people shape it into a log and they cut it. I just pulled mine apart, made some patties that I'm going to drop in some broth. Look at there. See how it changes? It's so amazing. Look at there. It's getting tough. I'm going to have to move it to the board in just a moment. Yes. It feels good, guys. Okay, so once I shape it into my shapes, I think I got 6 pieces out of this, but I also was sliced to make like little steak strips. Girl, yes. So now you gotta have broth to boil it in. 1 bay leaf. I put in some peppercorns, a little bit more liquid smoke. I put in, yes, a little bit of sweetener. Yes, I did. Some garlic powder. And then we're just gonna drop this in, let it boil for an hour. After it's done, let them sit for a little bit after they cool down, wrap them in some foil, let it stay overnight, let the flavors get together and make a dance, okay? After that, wrap it up and keep it for 2 months, but wait till the next day to cook it. Guys, this is the end of this part 1 of Seitan meat. In the next video, I will show you what you can do with it. Guys, thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul, and I'll catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye, guys. Making Seitan meat, my own. I'm tired of buying the stuff from the grocery store. So I'm like, why not make my own? If you would like this recipe, holler back at me and let me know down below. It's a whole lot, but I won't have to worry about meat for a couple of months. So look at there. Seitan meat. See that consistency? Yes. I'm gonna knead this just a little bit more, and I'm going to boil it for an hour. Yep, I think that's good, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll let you know what it tastes like. Probably tomorrow.